That doesn't make sense. Why would I want to create more underwater videos of Raja Ampat with only a GoPro and no video lights when there's already so many videos online with absolutely incredible and stunning footage of the underwater life in Raja Ampat? Well, I'll tell you why right after this. My name is Jan and welcome to my world. So every time I watch some of these incredible underwater videos of Raja Ampat, I'm always wondering, where did they shoot these videos? Now obviously it's in Raja Ampat, right? But I'm more interested in which dive site. So instead of asking myself this question, I thought, why not create my own series where I basically introduce different dive sites to the viewers. You, hopefully, maybe you are a diver. If you're not a diver, well, big welcome to you. Maybe after this you will become more interested in becoming a diver. So anyway, that is exactly what I've done. I've made a bunch of videos where on each video I introduce you to a different dive site. So hopefully with this I will give you a realistic view of what it is like to dive in Raja Ampat. Now Raja Ampat is an incredible dive destination, and if you keep watching you maybe notice or maybe understand why they call it the last paradise on earth for scuba diving. And it is incredibly beautiful, but unfortunately, or actually fortunately, it's not a zoo that we dive in. But the unfortunate side of that is that the marine life encounters underwater is mostly unpredictable. You never know what you're going to see. You might go to a dive site where you expect there to be manta rays and get into the water and not see a single one. And you might get to a dive site where you expect crystal clear visibility with very clear water, amazing visibility, and get there and then get green water and can hardly see 10 meters ahead of you. So, but that's the reality of it, and I think that's what keeps diving exciting for most divers. So, but yeah, that is actually what I've done. Now, this video is only basically my few highlights of Raja Ampat. Of course, it's not the best one. Those ones I keep for the actual dive site videos. And hopefully, my videos will give you a fairly realistic view of what to expect if you are planning a trip to Raja Ampat. If you're not planning a trip to Raja Ampat, but you've only heard of it, hopefully my videos will also convince you to actually have that on your bucket list as a dive destination. So yeah, that's all for now. Keep watching. I've got a few more words at the end of this video to tell you which dive site is going to be first on my list. See you on the other side. So those were my highlights. Hopefully I've interested you enough so you subscribe and so you can keep up to date with the following videos. In the next video is where I'm going to start introducing you to the different dive sites. Now the first dive site I'm going to tell you about and show you is located in central Raja Ampat. I'm not yet going to tell you the name, but just to give you a clue for those of you that have been to Raja Ampat before, this is one of the most diverse dive sites in the entire Raja Ampat and possibly the world. On this specific dive site, there was more than 280 different species of fish recorded on a single dive. So those of you that have been to Raja Ampat already know which dive site I'm talking about. For those of you that's still going, yeah, I'll see you in a few days and I'll tell you all about this incredible dive site. Take care, till next time.